Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 5, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device through settings. So to get started, we're going to open up our settings, and from here you want to scroll all the way down to General Management, and again scroll down to Reset. And here you'll have a list of different things that will be removed, or actually first we need to select Factory Data Reset, and here we have the list. So you can go over this list. If anything from there catches your attention, meaning any kind of data that will be removed that you would like to keep, maybe for instance photos, music, user data, then you will need to make a backup copy of it before you begin. Otherwise this data will be removed and this cannot be undone, so it will be permanently lost. Now that being said, if you keep your, for instance, photos on the cloud, then you shouldn't really worry. Now, scrolling all the way down, we'll have reset option. Now, if you have some kind of screen lock on here, you will need to confirm it. I do have a pattern set, so there we go. From here, we can select delete all. And then not only did we need to confirm our screen lock, we also need to confirm the Samsung account. Now, this doesn't happen if you have just Google account, but that's the stupidity of Samsung right here. Like, I already confirmed my screen lock. So there we go. Once I confirmed my password and my screen lock, the device will now begin factory resetting. Now this process will take a couple minutes to finish up, maybe like 1 to 2 minutes, and once it's completed we will be presented with Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible for me. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.